Welcome my friends, I'm Miroslav and today we're going to be making king's bread.
You will need 6 cups flour, 2/3 cup warm milk, 2/3 cup warm water, 1 cup caramel syrup or dulce de leche, a half cup sugar, and a half cup chocolate chips, 6 tablespoons butter, 2 whole eggs, 1 egg yolk for coating, 1 tablespoon yeast, 1 teaspoon salt, and 2 to 3 tablespoons cocoa powder. To prepare the dough, start by pouring the warm milk and warm water into a large bowl. Add the melted butter and lightly mix. Stir in the sugar and yeast and mix for a few minutes to activate the yeast. Add the 2 whole eggs and gently combine. Gradually incorporate the flour into the wet ingredients while mixing. Add the salt and continue mixing until the dough is smooth and no longer sticky. It should look smooth and soft like this. Divide the dough into 2 equal parts and shape each into a ball. Place each dough ball in a separate greased bowl. Cover with plastic wrap and set aside to rise. For 1 dough ball, create a small space in the center, add the cocoa powder, and knead until the dough is uniformly brown and smooth. Cover and let it rise like the plain dough. Once both doughs have doubled in size, dust your work surface with a little flour. Roll out the plain dough into a rectangle and set it aside. Roll out the cocoa dough into a rectangle of the same size. Layer the cocoa dough over the plain dough, aligning the edges. Adjust with your hands if needed. Spread the caramel syrup, or you can also use jam, peanut butter, or your preferred filling over the layered dough. Sprinkle the chocolate chips or finely chopped nuts evenly across the surface. Roll the dough tightly from the bottom up. Stopping 2/3 of the way. For the remaining unrolled portion, make vertical cuts approximately 1 inch apart. Twist the ends of the roll slightly. And then coil the entire roll into a circular shape. Place the shaped dough into a springform pan lined with parchment paper or a greased baking dish. Adjust the dough with your hands as needed. Cover with plastic wrap and a kitchen towel, letting it rest for 15 minutes. Brush the top of the dough with a beaten egg yolk for a golden finish. Preheat your oven to 350. Bake for 30 to 35 minutes or until golden brown. Enjoy the incredible aroma as it bakes. Once cooled slightly, slice into the beautiful marbled interior. It's soft, rich, and irresistible. Bon appetit and enjoy.
I hope you enjoy cooking with me. Please click like, and if you're new to this channel, click subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.